In this presentation, we'll explain the basic functionality and operation for the Sportsound Rack 100 audio control system. The Sportsound Rack 100 is a compact and portable audio control solution. It measures only 8.2 inches tall, 21.5 inches wide, and 11.6 inches deep. It fits most small countertops and is lightweight, weighing in at only 22 pounds fully loaded. The standard equipment loaded within the rack is an 8-channel audio mixer, front input-output panel, and wireless microphone receivers. This system has the option for up to 2 wireless microphone receivers. The front I/O panel is the location to input various external inputs such as MP3 players or wired microphones. It is also the location of the main output on the right side. There is a signal disconnect switch on board that is a hard signal disconnect to the main output. This switch should be in the on position during operation. Turn it in the off position prior to turning off the rack. The front of the mixer has 8 inputs. Mic 1 through 4 can be either mic level or line level inputs. They have an A plus B assignment. These are factory set at A plus B, which is in the middle. This sends the audio signal to both the main output and the aux1 output. The last 4 input knobs are stereo line level inputs. Daktronics sets these to mono operation in the factory. Mono is indicated with the lit LED light. Looking at the rear of the mixer, starting at the right, we have a 15-volt phantom power button. This button should be pressed in order for the announcer's push-to-talk interface to properly mute. The phantom power button is factory set. Next are 4 microphone line level inputs. These inputs get wired direct to the input-output panel, mic 1 through 4. These are designed to be microphone level and not line level. Each input has a line level button to adjust the input to line level. This places a 40 dB inline pad on the channel level control. Inputs 5 through 8 are line level stereo inputs. Daktronics uses inputs 5 and 6 for optional wireless microphone systems set to line level. Inputs 7 and 8 are freed up for use of existing customer equipment. Line level signals must be used at these locations. Output A is wired to the aux1 output jack on the I/O panel for use of the announcer's interface, and output B is wired to the master output jack on the I/O panel. Power on this mixer is from 100 to 240 volts and is wired in the factory to a supplied power strip. The Daktronics announcer's push-to-talk interface system also comes standard with the Sportsound Rack 100. It is plugged into mic 1 input and aux1 output with the supplied XLR cable assembly. If in range, the wall pack for the announcer's interface can be directly plugged into the power strip in the back of the rack. This ensures the unit is off when the rack's power strip is turned off. For more information on proper setup and operation of the Daktronics announcer's interface, refer to our Daktronics announcer's interface YouTube video. A laptop MP3 interface is included with the Sportsound Rack. It can be plugged into any available microphone input on the I/O panel. The interface accepts in an unbalanced stereo signal from the 1/8-inch jack on a laptop, MP3 player, or smartphone device and transitions it to a balanced mono signal that is accepted by the control system. Always use a professional interface like this when you want to use these types of sources to protect the quality of the system and protect your devices. Single or dual wireless microphone systems are available for the Sportsound Rack 100 and uses input channel 5 and 6 on the mixer and is labeled in the factory. The receivers are to be set to line level output for this rack configuration. The antennas on the rack should be splayed at 45 degrees as shown to achieve optimal reception with the transmitters. Ensure the antennas are in line of sight with the transmitters. If not, use or purchase the optional antenna enhancement kit to get your antennas to the right spot. For more information on proper setup and operation for the wireless microphone systems, refer to our Daktronics wireless microphone YouTube video. Set up the audio levels on your system one input source at a time. For instance, let's say we're using an MP3 device. Ensure the level on the device is turned up. Most laptops or MP3 devices should be turned up to at least 80%. turn up the input channel so that the signal level indicator is bright green, but not red. If the light turns red, this means the input is clipping. Turn the input down. Next, turn up the master volume level until the desired audio level is met. An overload light illuminates, indicating the output is being overloaded. If this happens, turn the level down. Remember, bad input equals bad output. No adjustment on the mixer can make a poor source sound better. For best results, be sure to use high-quality audio files and remember to set the device to near full volume. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you have further questions about our products, please contact a Daktronics audio representative. Feel free to view our other training videos available at www.daktronics.com/support.